In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom sign-up form in Webflow. Whether you're looking to collect user information or create a smooth onboarding experience, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your project in Webflow. Once you're all set up and ready, you'll want to head over to the designer mode. In this space, you have access to all the tools you need for creating and designing your custom form. Your next stop is the Add Element panel. This is where you'll find the building blocks for your form. Now locate a container element and drag it into your page. Think of the container as a frame that will hold all the components of your sign-up form. It's essential because it helps to structure your form neatly and ensures that everything stays in place as you design. With the container in place, it's time to add the form block element. Simply drag and drop it into your container. By default, Webflow provides a basic form setup that includes fields for name and email along with a submit button. This setup gives you a great starting point, but you can customize it further to meet your specific needs. To style these inputs and the submit button, head over to the Style tab found in the right panel. Here you can adjust elements like color, size, font, and borders. The goal is to create a form that blends seamlessly with your website's overall design and enhances user experience. Next, we move on to setting up form submissions. This is a crucial step because you want to ensure that all the information users input into your form reaches you successfully. To do this, navigate back to your Webflow dashboard, look for the horizontal three dots next to your project's name, and click on the settings. In the settings menu, find the option for forms in the left panel. This is where you can configure various submission settings. One of the simplest yet most critical settings is to enter the email address to which you want these submissions sent. Make sure this email is active and frequently monitored so that you never miss any user signups. After you've entered the necessary information and double-checked everything, it's time for the final step. Click Publish. This action deploys your site, including your brand new custom sign-up form, live to the web. It's always a good idea to perform a test submission to ensure everything is working smoothly and that you receive the data correctly. And there you have it, a complete custom sign-up form in Webflow ready to capture user data efficiently. It's a straightforward process, but paying attention to detail, especially regarding the styling and submission settings, will make all the difference in creating a professional and functional form. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy designing!